For today's video, we have this green salsa. Now we have 15 tomatillos, we have 4 serrano chilies, 1 habanero chili, a pasilla chili, which is the one that we use to make chili rellenos, and 3 garlic cloves. In here we have a quarter of a bunch of spinach, and then a whole bunch of cilantro. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of salt. Typically what I do, I take the tomatillos out first so they maintain the form. And now we have the last piece, which is the pasilla chili. I'm gonna shove it in there. All right, so let's add, we added the garlic cloves, and we got 1 spoon of salt. We're gonna do 1 spoon of onions, raw onions. Okay, now here's the fun part. We're gonna shove everything in there. All of these gonna get shoved in there. And we're going to pour it in our bowl. Oh, look at that. For my taste, I think it's a little bit thick. So we're gonna add a little bit of water to the blender. Some of the boiled water that we use for the chilies. Just about 1/4 of a cup. 1/4 of a cup. And just gonna shake it. I'm gonna blend it. Just gonna vigorously shake it and get most of the salsa and pour. Enjoy the recipe and make it. If you want to make half of it, just cut all the ingredients in half, and then you have salsa for like a week to enjoy daily.